YouTube is changing. The audience on YouTube are tired of the fast-paced and flashy videos we've been having over the years. And guess what? There's this new style of editing that is currently taking over YouTube. And I'll be telling you in a few moments. This style of editing is very good for new YouTubers like me who hates editing. In this video, I'll be telling you what the new style of editing is, why you should start implementing this new style of editing now, and finally what you should not do in trying to implement this new style of editing. I mean, do not abuse this new style of editing. Hello guys, my name is Prince. Welcome to my channel. On this channel I create content related to YouTube growth and also making money online. So if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and like this video for me. Thank you. Now, over the years, there's this style of editing where we make flashy and fast-paced videos in order to get viewers on our video and also for them to stick to the video to the end. These videos are, let's say, quite entertaining. However, the problem with this type of video editing is that the viewer does not get any value from the video. That is most at times, okay? And also, normally the audience or the viewer want to have a connection with the YouTuber, but this style of editing does not allow the YouTuber to have a connection with the audience, okay? This is what the new style of editing making a difference in, and I want to share it with you. So what does this new style of editing comprise of? This new style editing comprises of less editing or no editing at all. In fact, there are lots of people who have started implementing this new style of editing and they are getting tons of views on their channels, okay? There is this old woman here, you can check her out. She started her channel this year, not long ago, and she's having a lot of views on her videos. If you check her videos, there are no editing, no nothing, absolutely nothing, but she's having a lot of subscribers and has monetized her YouTube channel. Okay, so with this new style of editing, you do not really need any proper edits, okay? You only need no editing or a minimalistic style of editing. And secondly, with this new style of editing, it requires that you give value to the viewer. The person is watching your video which is not edited because he or she want to get some value from the video. So if you don't want to make any editing, you need to make sure that you give the viewer some value in the video, okay? Because a video without value is useless. That is why we used to make those fast-paced videos without value. So if you are not if you are not using the fast-paced video style and you want to do the non-editing video style, then you need to make sure that you provide value to the viewer. And finally, the viewer wants to have a sense of connection, okay? The viewer wants to feel that yes, this person understands me, the YouTuber understands my problem, the YouTuber understands or knows what is going on in my mind, okay? So try and have a feeling or some connection with the YouTuber. So that is how the new style of editing works. You understand? Now, this is what you need to do if you want to start implementing this new style of editing. You need to make sure you don't abuse this style of editing. What I mean is that don't just record the video with a lot of mistakes and post it. No, if you do that, you are just doing it against yourself, okay? At the end of the day, this new style of editing is not going to work for you, okay? Just feel free, do the video, don't stress yourself, but then make sure the video is okay. If there are some mistakes in the video, make sure you cut those mistakes out. Okay, good. And you know something, this style of editing is really good for people who are very fluent. Okay, yes, so if you are not very fluent while talking, there may be some mistakes. Okay, like yes, so just watch the video and try to cut those ones out. Okay, which is not really difficult. And also remember that keeping audience on your video is very key. Okay, so you need to make sure that you add some text on your screen, or you display some text on the screen whilst you talk to them. Okay, this is to keep the viewer active. You understand? Yes, that is why I am saying don't try to abuse this style. Because I said that, you may think that, then let me just record myself and post it like that. No, we don't do it that way. Okay, make sure that at least you put some text on the video, okay, whilst talking, for the viewer to get a better understanding of it, especially if your video is long. But if your video is very short, then you do not have any problem like that. And thirdly, you need to make sure that you plan your video. Okay, you plan your video before you record. The fact that you are not going to edit the video does not mean you should not plan your video. No, you should plan your video. You should know what you are going to talk about. By doing so, it is going to help you become fluent. All right, and let me give you a few tips. Don't try to be perfect. Okay, just feel free with this style of video making. Just feel free, and by feeling free and talking to the camera, the viewer is going to get a sense of connection with you. Yeah, so this style of editing is very, very good for new YouTubers like me who hates editing. In fact, I really hate editing. You make a video of 10 minutes and then you spend like 5 hours to edit the video, because I do not know how to edit videos. So if you're a new YouTuber like me, please make sure you take advantage of this style. Thank you for watching. My name is Prince once again. Please subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and then see you in the next video.